This is going over the Menominee Bridge over the Menominee River from Marinette into Menominee. It's St. Patrick's Day, 2 days after the big storm. In 2018, we had a storm in April where there were snow drifts through here that were about 10 feet high going across the road. So I don't see any drifts that high, but this was quite a bit more snow. I think the official tally was something like 33 inches. Right by the Menominee Marina, so we can see all the snow that was piled up from the street here. Here's the library. Wouldn't want to have to shovel that out. The snow was so packy. It was really hard to blow. More on that later. Look at that, man. And you can't even tell where the driveway is. Here's home sweet home, baby. Okay, it's March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. Tuesday. The snow fell Saturday night into Sunday morning. So I had bare grass here last Friday. That's how this is all from this one snowstorm. So when I got up in the morning, there was about 5 or 6 inches, and I blew the driveway 6 times on Sunday, just trying to stay ahead of it. It was really hard blowing the snow. The snow was real packy, so the machine was climbing over it. Plus my machine's 15 years old. But I wanted to stay ahead of it, so about every 2 hours I'd go out and blow 3 or 4 inches. I think officially we got something like 33, but I think it's kind of compressed when it was laying there. I think I blew more than 33 inches. There was almost no snow at all on the roofs of the buildings last Friday too. And then yesterday morning, I blew the driveway twice, and then I blew it once today. I was able to get through the end on this side with the snowblower, but I couldn't clean the whole thing, so my neighbor with his Ford pickup truck opened up that driveway for me yesterday, so I was able to get in and out of here with the Jeep. And then if you can see on this end, it's still like 4 feet high, but I can't get the tractor out of the shed yet, so I won't be able to clean that up until I do that. So today took me 2 or 3 tries to go back to the shed. I got to this turnaround spot here yesterday, and then the rest of this I did today, and it was really slow moving, like 6 inches at a time. When I got to the end there, and I kind of cleaned things out with the snowblower for a while, I didn't feel bad, but I'm pushing 70, so I thought maybe I better just go back in the house and sit down for a half hour. So I did. So I've not been in the shed yet. Hopefully it does not rain. Otherwise, if it rains and that snow up there soaks up all that moisture, I'm really concerned about the roof coming in. It's supposed to be in the 30s tomorrow, so I may wait until tomorrow to try to get this door open. But we'll take a look at the inside here. Keep our fingers crossed. Hopefully nothing is broken through yet. Well, so far so good. Everything looks okay up there. Yeah. Get an idea how deep the snow is right here. It's above my knee. Yeah, once you get a path through, you know, you can kind of edge it a little bit and make it wider, but it's still really hard work. And I don't want to have a heart attack. So if I gotta wait a few more days for things to melt, I'll just have to wait. But I don't know, if I get this door open, get the tractor out, maybe I can push, you know, enough off to the side where I can clean a lane. But I don't know, probably not gonna push my luck too much.